Crack an egg over corn and everyone will be amazed by the result. Here I have a can of corn. In a frying pan, I'll start by coating it with plenty of butter or margarine. Next, we'll add the can of corn with an egg yolk. Let's spread it well with a spoon. Now on top, let's add our egg whites. Spread it evenly. Now cover and wait until the bottom turns golden brown. Once it's golden, remove the lid. Now let's flip it over and add our filling on top. You can use any filling you prefer. Here I'll use a bit of mozzarella and some ham. Now we just fold it over until the edges meet. After that, cover again and wait until the cheese melts. With the cheese melted, folks, just transfer it to a plate and enjoy. Look how incredible this recipe turns out. Super quick, easy and delicious. Make it at home, I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this. Big hugs to you all. See you next time and thanks.